So today in this video we shall factorize 15 minus 2a minus a square. So first term 15 and last term minus a square. So both are same. So now we need the center part. For this we factorize 15. So it is 3 times 5 means 15 and 5 minus 3 means it is 2. So it is minus 5a plus 2a. So minus 3a, it means it is 2a. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So common here is 5. So remaining 5 times 3 means 15 minus 5 already came, so remaining is a. Like as the common in these both last expressions are plus a. So remaining in the first is 3 minus a. So now we again find out common in these both first and last expression. So both contain 3 minus a. So 3 minus a is common and remaining in the first 5 at last plus a. So 3 minus a and 5 plus a are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.